Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? If you are new to my channel and you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Halima Orisadafo and you're welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like my videos, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, thank you for watching my video. Kudos, much love. So I know you want to know how I achieved this look. You want to know my step-by-step makeup, how I got to rock this red lipstick. I got you. So let's do the video right now. Let's start from the beginning right now. I look like Jehovah's Witness. First, I'm going to wipe my face. Looking snatched already. So when my setting powder is sitting on my face, I'm going to line my lip. And another thing about the eyeshadow is I'm going to be dimming it. We don't want the eyeshadow to be shouting as the lip, because obviously we're putting a red lip. So this is the color I chose. It's not too much. It fits the lip perfectly. And there's a way I do my eyelashes. I'm going to do a tutorial on that very soon. For my lips, I'm going to be using 2 shades of red. I'm applying this one first because it's somehow darker, just to line my lip, and it can also pop out the other color, the other red classic color. And this is what we have been waiting for, the red classic lipstick. It is the Ruby Hole. I don't know if you people can see that. It's the Ruby Hole. So guys, this is the finished look. How to slay with red lipstick. It looks so hot. Let me go and remove this scarf and let me come and show you people the finished look. This is it. I see your girl looking so fine, looking so snatched. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment down how I actually look. If you think this is beautiful, please comment, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.